All right, we're going to go ahead and unbox the 7-piece metric 3/8 drive hex set. The first thing you notice is that the packaging is very, very nice. It's got all the sizing, it's got some good information on how this tool works. This tool works different than any other conventional hex. It's important you know how it works. It's got some information there. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we get. We've got some stickers, which are really cool. The GripEdge Tools logo. We've got a nice GripEdge Tools font. And there's a couple of stickers kind of explaining how this works. There's the tools. This set here, like I said, is the metric set, 4mm to 10mm. It comes on a really nice aluminum rail with snap lock holders, positive locking. As you can see here on the front of these, this is really clever. They're engraved and they've got the sizing done in black paint, so it really stands out really nice against that chrome. It's easy identification so that you can tell what size you're reaching for. And of course, then the green strip on the bottom kind of takes the place of what others would use as a knurl, so you can grab it with your fingers. That's the 7-piece 3/8 drive metric set of RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge Tools.